All right, so let's get Sandy on a warm-up lap. taking a little break after riding for about 3 hours. Mountain Creek, you send. So all in all, what I think of this camera is I'm very happy I spent my money on it. I think the advertising that GoPro put out, however, was a little deceiving, but we can obviously expect that. You know, they're going to show the best of the best clip-wise of what they have. So whatever they think is going to sell more cameras, that's what they're going to put out. But as you can see in the video, it's very smooth, and I think a lot of the shakiness wasn't actually the image stabilization failing. It was the chest mount that I had on. I didn't have the GoPro brand one. I had a knockoff, so that may have been an issue. But again, I'm very happy that I spent my own money on this camera, and you know, it's a big step up audio wise and visual with the stabilization to my GoPro Hero 4 Black. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.